Hello, my name is Jeet. Welcome to my channel.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell.
Actually, I'm going to a very cool place today and I'm really excited.
Sometimes you just gotta believe. There's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need.
चाय बनाने वाला है।
What you need.
बहुत अच्छा चाय बनाता है। ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा खूबसूरत जगह है। उसका बहुत नेचुरल ब्यूटी है।
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes
There is a small bridge and I don't want to go any further now.
gotta believe. There's something that'll give you relief. There's some
Things to remember while visiting Bhutan is you need to have a voter ID, otherwise they won't allow you to come inside. Finally, I'm in the car again. It's really hot outside, and thank you so much, Bhutan, and you people are amazing. And
There's something that'll give you relief. Gotta believe. There's something that'll give you relief.